What I like about this shed, number one, it's very easy to clean, as you can see. Very easy, very easy, very easy. Sawa, names are Makalan Kamau. Nimekuja kutembelea our friend Polito Farm. Reason of coming ni kuangalia the structure. Actually, nilijua about Polito through TikTok.
Yeah.
Little did I know he's my neighbor. So nimefurahi sana kumjua in person.
Yeah.
Na sasa it's good to have such a neighbor. Sasa tutazidi kujuana zaidi.
Hata mimi nimefurahia sana. Wenye nimejua ati wewe ni neighbor yangu hapa tu. Na you are aspiring to do dairy farming.
Yeah.
I'm very happy because now we are going to grow this village and we are going to make it a town. Yeah.
Hapo sawa.
Yeah.
Frankly, I've admired what he's done. Very clean, very neat. And akona ng'ombe mingi. Yeah, he's done a good job. And I'm sure, as you can see behind me, I don't know if the camera can show you behind me, there are quite a number of cows that he has. He deals with, he's in the business of selling, and breeding. So I can advise, when you get time, visit with him. Ako hapa Kinangop, Njabini. Very nice place. Karibuni muone, mjionea ndio mambo.